Good morning, children. How are you? I'm fine. Yes, yes, yes. So, have you had your breakfast? Yes? What did you have for your breakfast? Milk. Ooh. Cocoa Crunch. Yes, noodles. What else? Oh, fried rice. Wow, that looks so yummy. Okay, so I think you are ready to start the lesson. Are you ready, children? Say yes, 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 yes. Okay, now if you are ready, put your hands up. Hands on your head, hands on your nose, hands on your tummy, and sit down nicely. Yes, okay. Today we want to go to the zoo. Wow! Who wants to go to the zoo? Yeah, do you want to go to the zoo? Okay, now if you want to go to the zoo, let's go with the bus. Wow, we are in the bus. Now we want to go to the zoo, children. So sit down nicely. Ngeng, ngeng. Wow, we have arrived in the zoo. And what animals can you see in the zoo? Yes, elephant? Is this an elephant? Oh no, what animal is this? Lion? Wow. Is it a lion? No, this animal have two eyes, have one nose, one mouth, and black stripes around its body. Yes, this is a zebra. Yeah, this is a zebra. Do you want to say hello to Mr. Zebra? Hello, Mr. Zebra. Good morning. Wow. Ho, 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 ho. Good morning, children. Nice to see you today. Oh, Mr. Zebra is so happy to see you today. Okay, now let's see together, children. Wow, zebra is an animal that have black stripes on its body, mane on his back, and tail. Yes. Now, Mr. Zebra likes to sing zigzag zebra. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Zigzag zebra. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Zigzag zebra. Zzz, zzz, zzz is the sounds of Z. Today we learn about letter sound. Z. Can you repeat after me? Let's say Z. Okay, thank you, children. Z, z, z. Now let's sing together with my zebra.
Z, zigzag zebra. Zigzag zebra. Zigzag zebra. Zigzag zebra. It's the sound of Z.
Now this is a zigzag zebra and the sound is Z, z, z. Yes. Okay, now it's time to check your flashcard. Let's see one by one, children. Now the first one Z is for zigzag. Look at this line. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like a mountain. We call it zigzag. Can you say zigzag? Yes, can you show it to me, children? Where is your card with zigzag lines? Yes, that's good. Zigzag. Okay, now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Zigzag, zigzag, zzz, zzz. Zigzag, zigzag, zzz, zzz, zzz. Yeah, so what picture is it, children? Zigzag. Now, Miss Sandy wants to make zigzag line. Have you prepared your rice or your breadcrumb? Okay, now let's make zigzag lines with your fingers. Look at Miss Sandy first and you can try. Now you can put your rice on the table. Miss Sandy have breadcrumb. Now, let's make the dot. And slanting up, slanting down, up, down. Can you do it? Okay, you shake, shake, shake again. Make dot below. And up and down, up and down, up and down. That's zigzag. Yes! So what line is this, children? Zigzag line. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Now, let's check another card. Now, I have a number. This is number 0. Can you say 0? Oh, number 0 looks so happy today. Now, can you show it to me? Where is your number 0? Your number 0. Yeah, that's good. That's number 0. I think you can make number 0 with your fingers too. Yes, I have number 0. Okay, now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. 0, 0. Zzz, zzz, 0, 0, zzz, zzz, zzz. What number is this, children? 0. Yeah, that's good. Let's say bye-bye 0. Bye-bye 0. Okay, next we have Z is for zip. Can you say zip? Yes, this is a zip. Now, can you show me the picture? Zip. What picture is it? This is a zip. Oh, I have a zip in my pencil case. Now, look, this is the zip. Unzip. Ooh, and zip. Wow, how about you? Do you have bag or pencil case? Or maybe your clothes that have a zip? Yes, now let's play together with your zip. Let's unzip and zip again. Yeah, so this is, we call it zip. Okay, now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Zip, zip, zzz, zzz, zzz. Zip, zip, zzz, zzz, zzz. Zip. That's good. Bye-bye, zip. Okay, next, the last one. Z is for, ooh, what animal is this? Ooh, this animal can run very fast and have black straps on his body. Yes, this is a zebra. Wow, run, zebra, run, run, run. Can you run like a zebra, children? Yes, okay, everybody please stand up. And we want to run like a zebra. Okay, now let's run like a zebra. That's good, children. Wow, you can run as fast like the zebra do. Okay, now where is your zebra? Can you say zebra? Yes, this is a zebra. Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go! Zebra, zebra. Z, z, zebra, zebra. Z, z, z. That's good. So what animal is it, children? Zebra. Yes. So maybe do you have a zebra at home? Your toy? Yes. You can call your Mr. Zebra. Zebra, come here. Okay. So today we learn about Z. Z, Z is for zigzag, and then zip, zebra, and oh, where is my number 0? Zero. Now, Miss Auntie wants to review again. Let's see this question. Number 1, I have Z. It's for yogurt or 0. Yogurt. Can you hear Z when I say yogurt? How about this one? 0. Can you hear Z? So, Z is for yogurt or 0. Yes, 0. Okay, next. I have Z is for wheel or zebra. Z is for wheel or zebra. Z is for zebra. Yes, okay. Next, I have Z is for whistle or zigzag. Whistle. Can you hear Z on whistle? No? How about zigzag? Zigzag. Can you hear Z? Yes, zigzag, zigzag, z, z. That's good. Now, how about this one? Z is for ball or zip. Ball, ball, zip. Z is for, yes, z, z, zip. Yes, okay. Wow, thank you, children. Now it's time to make. Z is for zebra. Z, z, zebra. Oh, I have a zebra. Now, do you want to make your zebra, children? Okay, look at Miss Auntie first and you can try, okay? Okay, children, now you can put your paper on the table. And you have letter sound Z for zebra. Now you can take the eye and glue. Let's put the glue on the back side. And let's paste it on the top. Yes, that's the eye for the zebra. Now it's time to put the black stripes with your paint and your pointing finger. Can you show it to me? Where is your mother finger? Mother finger, where are you? Yes, Now you can dip your finger into the paint like this, and from the top up and down. Yes, again, up and down. Wow, that's good, children. Keep going. Dip, dip, dip. Now from left to right. Can you do it? Again. Left to right. Yes. Left to right. Okay. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Yes. Some more? Yes. Now from the top again. Up and down. Up and down. Keep going. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Yay! That's the black stripes for my zebra. Now, zebra also have black nose. You want to put the nose on the left side. Look at Miss Santi first. From the top, Santi make half circle. Yeah, that's for the nose. And let's paint with black. Yes! Hello, zebra! Now, what is missing, children? Zebra also have tail and also mane on his back. Now, you want to put the mane. Ready? From left to right, left to right. Now, you can put the mane like this. Left to right. Okay, and let's put the tail on its back. Tail, hoop, and give circle. Yes, this is my zebra. Z is for zebra. Z, z, zebra. Now it's your turn. If you're done, children, you can clean your finger with tissue, or you can wash your hands under the water. Okay. Yes, this is my zebra. Z is for zebra. Can you show me your zebra? And can you say Z? Yes, that's good. Now, let's go to your worksheet. So what should you do, children? Listen to the first sound of each picture. Cut and paste the pictures into the correct boxes. Everybody's ready? Okay, the first picture. This is a school zone sign. Zone. Can you say zone? Now let's sing together. Zone, zone. Can you hear? Z, z, zone. Can you hear z when I say zone? Yes, z is for zone. Z, z, zone. And you can paste a picture on the left side. Zone. Can you do it? Let's go to number 2. Happy birthday to you. What picture is it? This is a birthday cake. Yes, can you say cake? Now let's sing together. Cake, cake. Is it z, z, z? Cake. Z. No, the first sound for cake is k, k, cake. Number 3. I have number 0. Can you say 0? 0, 0, 0. Can you hear z, z, 0? 0. Yes, the first sound is z, z, 0. Okay, number 4. Wow, I have a hamburger. Hamburger. Hamburger, hamburger. Can you hear zzz when I say hamburger? Hamburger. No. Zzz, zzz, hamburger. I cannot hear zzz, zzz, zzz. If you can hear zzz, becomes Zamburger. Is this a Zamburger? No, this is a hamburger. Okay, next picture. I have wings and I can fly up in the sky. What is this, children? It's a bird. Yes, can you say bird? Bird, bird. Can you hear z, z, bird? No, 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 no. The first sound is p, p, bird. Yes. Next picture. I can see the elephants. They are in the zoo. Can you say zoo? Zoo, zoo, zoo. Can you hear z, z, zoo? Yes, z, z, zoo. Okay, next picture, children. This is pants. Can you say pants? Do you have pants at home? Oh, of course. Now when you say pants, can you hear zzz? Pants, pants. Is it zzz, zzz, pants? No, no, no. The first sound is pa, pa, pants. Yes, okay, next picture. This is a zigzag line. Up and down, up and down. What line is this? Zigzag. When you say zigzag, zigzag, is it z, z, zigzag? Yes, z, z, zigzag, zigzag, z, z, z. So you can paste it on the left side. And next picture, children, I have black and white color. This is a zebra. Can you say zebra? Now you can sing zebra, zebra. Z, z, z. Zebra, zebra. Z, Z, z. Yes, the first sound is z, z, zebra. Put it on the left side. Next picture. Ooh, I have wings. I am a fairy. And I have magic wand. Can you say fairy? Now let's sing together. Fairy, fairy. Can you hear? Z, fairy. No, the first sound is fairy. Yes, it's not z, z. Next picture. I have bread. Can you say bread? Now let's sing. Bread, bread. Is it z, z, bread? No, no, no. The first sound for bread is p, p, bread. I like to eat bread. And the last one. This is a zip. Zip. Can you say zip? Let's sing together. Zip, zip. Z, z, z. Zip, zip. Z, z, z. Yes, the first sound is zip. That's good. So the first sound is z, z, z. Wow. Now, if you are done, you can check your picture, children. Z is for zone, zero, zoo, zigzag, zebra, and zip. Yes, thank you, children, for today. Now, if you are done, you may tidy up, children, and see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.